Organizations and businesses here in Louisiana continue to step in and offer support. Winston Reed spoke with a member from the United Cajun Navy who is in Jamaica tonight distributing resources.
Josh Gill landed in Jamaica Sunday to help deliver food, water, and supplies to people recovering from the Category 5 hurricane that made landfall in October. These photos he shared with us give us a glimpse of the destruction caused by Hurricane Melissa.
Some people lost family, lost all of everything that they possibly own. Look at their property. If it's farmland, their farmland's been destroyed, their crops have been destroyed.
Gill is the incident commander for the United Cajun Navy. The Louisiana-based organization is partnering with faith leaders and faith-based organizations to make sure that smaller and hard-to-reach communities are supported.
Major highways that were just completely washed out. The infrastructure was absolutely thrashed. Power is starting to come back on into some of the larger municipal areas like Montego Bay. I believe Negrill's got some power coming back as well. But truly reaching the people that were impacted the worst, it's going to take some time.
Back home in New Orleans, Bywater Bakery raised more than $3,000 in November and donated those funds to Fill the Needs, an organization based in New Orleans focused on quickly responding to disasters. The bakery's owner, Elton Osborne, plans to have another fundraiser with King Cakes in January.
My wife and I spent a lot of time in Jamaica, one of our favorite places on earth. Having gone through Katrina, we knew what the needs were imminent.
The road to recovery is expected to be long and expensive. Teams from the United Cajun Navy are prepared to travel down to Jamaica when needed. In the photos shared by Gill, there is something that stands out beyond the damage: smiling faces, hope, and a sense of optimism.
They understand that we're here to help, but it's also an extremely Christian-based, faith-loving, God-fearing community.
I'm Winston Reed reporting, WWL, Louisiana.